Today we'll talk about how can you add your phone number or change it on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on profile and security here. Just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on phone number here. Just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on get verified here. So then here in verse you have to get your verified here. So then it's going to change your phone number, or it's going to show for you list to add your phone number or change it on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.